All right, let's talk about our awnings and something that you may notice and you'll be worried about when you're driving. And it's my awning doesn't seem to be going in all the way. So you can see this on both sets of my awnings. There's this awning that doesn't seem to go in the whole way. And then there's also this one. And as you can see, it's all the way down, even this one on this end to go in the entire way. I was a little concerned about it, but I started reviewing it, looking at it, and what I want to show you is really a close-up of this. And this is the close-up, and you can see that it goes right up to the mount that is on the wall that actually connects the awning cover to the awning motor, so that it's in as far as it will go. And that's the case on all of these. This is going in as far as it will go. This one is out just a little bit, but that's not, it's in as far as it will go. And this side over here, as you can see, is as far as it goes. These heads are the actual motors for the awning. And if you take a look at it, you can see that the head is right up against the mounting rail that's up here. That mounting rail holds the back of your awning, slides into it, and you can see that's all the farther it goes in. So even though it may look like it's not going in as far as it should, it's actually in as far as it should go. So hopefully that helps and helps put your mind at ease if you're seeing that your awning doesn't look like it's going in as far as it should be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.
Thanks for watching. God bless and safe travels.